Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to go over my thoughts about Lexington Law. All right, there are people out there who have said Lexington Law does not work. Well, that is absolutely a lie. Lexington Law is great. Okay, do not listen to these people. They're basing their information from what I have seen on the fact that I've seen some people say, oh, they got it removed from their credit report, but then it went back on. So I'm going to give you my experience, and I don't know about those people's experience. That is possible that when you get something removed, it could get back on the credit report, but Lexington Law has no control over that. It just basically has to boil down to the fact that are these people going to challenge it and put it back on or not? Okay, and I'll share my experience with you guys. Okay, so here I am logged into my Lexington Law dashboard. Okay. And I'm going to go over here to where it says case actions and creditor. Okay, so here we see we have TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Intervening, blah, 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 blah. All right, so there's a lot of stuff on here. Okay, so let me just give you a little background on myself first. I never gave a damn about my credit. Okay, I was irresponsible. Let's go ahead and say it, as millions of people have. Okay, so do not judge me. If you choose to judge me, okay, so what? All right, it is what it is. It wasn't until I would say this year, the beginning of this year, that I decided, you know what, I'm going to work on my credit. I'm going to get my credit together and get things right. Okay, and so I signed up to Lexington Law, and they went to work for me. Now, anything that you see is positive basically means that it reported positively on my credit report. All right. Now, did the situation happen with me where Lexington Law got some stuff removed and then it got put back on my credit report? Yes, it did. But the volume of stuff that is on my credit report that was negative compared to what was removed and then put back is no comparison. I had 2 accounts that were removed and then it was put back on my credit report, and Lexington Law is still working on getting them removed. Okay, the first one is this Verizon Wireless account for $141. Now, to be honest with you, a couple days ago, I was just bored sitting around and having nothing to do, so I just decided to just go and pay this off. So I called up Verizon, asked them about the balance. They said it was $141, just like this says, and I paid it completely off. So whatever happens with this, it really is irrelevant. I don't care because it is now paid for. Okay? But let's go ahead and look at some other stuff. Now, all this stuff is reporting positive. Again, we have TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. All right? Now, if we go down here to Southwest Credit Systems, this is another account that I paid off. Actually, right after I got off the phone with Verizon, I called these people and I paid this off. But so this was removed from the account and then it was put back on the account, okay, on a credit report. So I decided to just go ahead and pay it off. It was only for 95 bucks. So I went ahead and I've taken care of it. And that's it. It was just those 2 accounts. Everything else that you see that says removed was truly removed. It is removed. It is gone. Okay. So let's go ahead and take a look at these other balances. So I paid off those 2. All right. But if we go down here, look at this. Osceola County Circuit Court was removed, all 3. Okay, look at the total cost of it. $21,437. Okay, I don't even know what this was for. I think I was evicted or something from somewhere like in 2009, some crap. I don't know. But they got it removed from my report. Okay. If we go down here to Gold Key Credit Systems, another $354 was removed. It was not listed on this, what is this, Equifax, Experian. It was removed from TransUnion and Equifax. AFNI, okay, balance was $200. All right, it was reporting as 0 here, but it was still removed, and then $200 on these 2, and it was removed. Here's a different Verizon Wireless account. Look at the total cost. $1,949 was reporting to TransUnion and Equifax. Yeah, TransUnion and Equifax. And then reporting as 0 on Experian for whatever reason. But again, it has been removed. Southwest Credit Systems, again, This one's for $385. This was removed from all three bureaus. Enhanced Recovery Company. This was for $2,180. Do you see how much money and debt they got removed from my credit report? Do not listen to people telling you that Lexington Law doesn't work. It does work. Okay, here's some positive reporting stuff. Okay, this is stuff that I have going on now. Oakland County Register of Deeds removed from TransUnion for $5,466. That was removed. Okay, United Consumer Financial removed for $1,141. CMI, what is this? I don't know, it's zero balance, so whatever, but that was removed from TransUnion. Mars Inc. was removed from Experian and Equifax for $571. Okay, Jefferson Capital System was removed from TransUnion and Equifax for $1,949. Look at all this debt just gone. Like, it's just off my credit report. Portfolio Recovery System was removed. Okay, but that had a zero balance. What is this? Oakland County ROD? The heck is this? Same thing. Okay, so this was removed from, it's just in a different spot. So this was removed at a different time probably from, what is that, Equifax. Portfolio Recovery, $675. Enhanced Recovery, $385. I think we went over that one already for 300. Yeah, 380. Oh no, that's a different one. That was a different account. Okay, and let me go back here. What was it? Enhanced. Okay, so that's $385. Look, going down some more. Credit management, 2,000. Credit management, $2,786. What else was removed? Diversified Consultants, $786. Oakland County Register of Deeds. Okay, this is now the third one over on the other side. Some of this stuff is split apart, like it was removed at different times from different credit bureaus. Okay, instead of it being removed from all three at the same time, it was removed at different times. So that's why you may see it up here, and then you see it down there, etc. But look how much debt this was. Credit management, $2,786. I don't know if we went over that, but VZW. Okay, that's the Verizon account again. VZW again, $141. So if you guys, Capital One Bank removed for $451. I mean, look at all this. So listen, Diversified Consultants. This was removed for $786. Do you see all of this though? This is thousands upon thousands upon thousands upon thousands of dollars of debt. When I at the beginning of this year, my credit report, my credit with all three credit bureaus was like in the 500s, I think. 500s, low 600s. So watch this. I'm going to log into my account. Watch. Do you see this? Do you see this? Okay. I'm in the high. What is this? Equifax. So look at last year. It doesn't work, right? Lexington Law doesn't work. Look at this. Last September. Last November, look, it's November right now. Last November, I was at a 536. Look at this. Look at the growth. Look at this. Look at this. Climbing, 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 climbing. All the way to a 729. That's where I'm at right now with Equifax. Let's look at TransUnion. Look where I was last November. So I was somewhere in a 5, I don't know, maybe a 550 or something like that. Look where I'm at now. a 736. And Experian, I'm still kind of low on Experian, but you see where I was last year. I was in the fours. I was like at a 495 or 494, right? But look where I'm at now. You see this? So if anybody tells you that Lexington Law doesn't work, they're liars. All right. Actually, I'm at a 761 with TransUnion. 725 Equifax, 640. Okay. So let me explain something to you. This year, I have been able to get approved for so much stuff. Like, because of Lexington Law, I got approved for a $120,000 Mercedes. I got approved for a $80,000 Cadillac Escalade. I made a decision to open up on my own. Of course, I didn't need to, but I did. I opened up a secured credit card with Bank of America, and I've been paying that on time, so that helps. I have a credit card with Total Visa. I have a Walmart credit card. I've never had a credit card in my life. I have a Total Visa credit card. I have a Walmart credit card. I have a gas card through Chevron. I have a JCPenney credit card. I mean, they've even increased my limits. Like, I've gotten like 8 or 9 cards this year. Like, I can't even think of everything off the top of my head. Like, I've gotten so many different credit cards this year. It's been crazy. It's like anything that I apply for, I get approved for. Anything that I apply for, I get approved for. Okay, so right now, I'm just gonna, all the cards I have, I'm just gonna go ahead and so make sure I pay that on time. I'm not gonna apply for anything else. You don't want to get to a point you're applying for too much. And let me let you guys know that, again, Lexington Law does work. They've really helped me out a lot and getting a lot of debt removed from my credit. All right, guys. So I just want to, and I'm not doing this. I'm not a part of a Lexington Law affiliate program or anything like that. I do pay $99 a month. Some people, they can't afford that. That's understandable. But I do pay $99 a month, and I'll just be keeping them, just to keep fighting for me. Okay, guys. So I just want you all to see that, things have changed for me, and my middle score is a 725, and things have been good. All right, take care.